Projects are a pretty important part of any business, and here at Moxon, this specific project is on a very short lead time. What that means is you need to have somebody, dedicated project manager, that's all over this job, needs to be on top of every single drawing, every single part, every single piece of material, everything. So who else better than our third year intern, Doni? Tell us a little bit about this project. At what point did you get involved with it?
I got involved with it at the very start, at the very beginning. So quoting the job up, basically separating all the parts, putting them into specific job centers, so like welding, bending, laser cutting, and then now we're up to the point where we're pushing the work out to get them powder coated and then hopefully get them to the customer by next week.
So talk us through this job sheet. Are these processes here?
Yes. So all the processes are labelled on the job cards and they go in a certain order from one side of the building to the other, from laser cutting down all the way to welding.
Every item's labelled?
Yes.
What's the next step for these jobs?
These just have been bent by one of our workers ninja behind us. And I think next is for them just to be rig knotted, and that's it, powder coated.
That's great.